Welcome everyone! Today we will be discussing an innovative product that will enhance your pool experience and protect it from the elements. The automated sliding deck pool cover. This versatile cover is designed to provide an easy, efficient, and hassle-free way to keep your pool clean and safe all year round. The automated sliding deck pool cover is an excellent choice for those who value convenience and want to minimize maintenance. The cover is equipped with a motorized system that allows you to easily slide the cover open or close, providing shade for your pool and protecting it from the sun, wind, rain, and snow. One of the key benefits of this cover is its ability to maintain a consistent temperature throughout the pool. Thanks to its automatic temperature control, the cover also reduces water evaporation, which helps to save energy and lower your utility bills. The cover is made from high-quality materials that are designed to last for years. It is available in a range of sizes and styles.